Hi, my name is Jayden. I'm going into my fourth year at U of T studying the Bachelor of Information program. Before joining the BI, I was at the Faculty of Arts and Sciences at U of T studying Ethics, Society, and Law and Cognitive Sciences with plans to go into law. I chose the BI program because I had a very big interest in technology and felt that I really wanted to get hands-on practical experience in it so that I could go into the workforce and develop myself professionally, and BI really spoke to me in being able to do that. I really liked our studio and hands-on courses like designing interactive systems, how to build a computer and why, and World Becomes Data, all through which we learned different topics, but through the similar experience of working in groups to make very tangible projects that not only taught us how to do those things, but how to present our work, and we could use those projects as portfolio pieces to apply to jobs and so on. I also really appreciated courses that explored topics that I wouldn't have known about otherwise, like information, culture, and memory, where we talked about how information is preserved and did a trip to the ROM to look at information artifacts. And also the course Information in the Cultural Imagination was really interesting, doing media analysis on how technology is portrayed in movies, in literature, and so on. In our first design studio class, we were given the entire first semester to find some kind of solution to some kind of problem. My group specifically wanted to tackle the issue of international students having a harder time finding jobs and internships. We got to interview real people dealing with those issues, ideate on how we could help solve it, and ultimately proposed making a job board called NextGen that we presented by prototyping an interactive app to display it. As someone who came into this program with no prior data science experience, I'm particularly proud of my final project for the class, World Becomes Data. I got to use R and Python to web scrape information from a fast fashion company website and sustainable fashion company websites and compare their production levels, questioning the ethical value of fast fashion that way. My career goal is to go into user experience design in the technology field. This summer for my practicum, I'm interning as a product growth designer at Vendor PM, which is a property technology company based in Toronto. I like how BI is a relatively small program. It leads to all of us becoming pretty tight-knit. We all feel like we're in it together. So my favorite memory probably is that after a really busy kind of midterm season or final season, we got projects here and assignments there. At the end of the day, we all kind of come together and are like, oh my God, we got through it together and can celebrate, go out for karaoke, go for dinner, things like that. So just that experience of being in it with other people has been my favorite part.